My favourite time in the garden has to be the morning. When the light's quite soft and the shadows are long. And as the sun comes up, the grass sparkles. All the leaves are heavy with dew. Not a soul in sight, at this time of year, immersed in birdsong. April is nest building season, and the birds put on quite a show to find a partner. It has to be one of the greatest shows on earth. Whether you're sat with a cup of tea or half asleep lying in bed, it's a healthy reminder that the world is waiting and getting on with living. And what better way of getting in the right frame of mind for a new day?